Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Akirili, and you are listening to the voice of Awesome Mike. This video is about Web3 security, that is how to be safe from hackers, and also I'll be showing you 3 best practices for you to secure your crypto wallet and assets. And that's not all. At the end of this video, I'll also be connecting you to the content on my website that shows you 7 best practices, different best practices for you to secure your wallet from hackers. All right, now let's get started. Now, why is this video even important? Now, you need to take your Web3 security very important, because what is the essence of making a lot of money in this crypto space, Web3 space, and you lose everything or almost everything to hackers, all right, without being able to do anything to it, because you watch the money leaving your wallet into the hacker's wallet without being able to do anything to it. All right, so this is why this video is very, very important for you to watch to the end. All right, now the first point I want to share with you today is the fire extension. All right, so what is fire extension? Fire extension are actually a new Web3 brand that helps you to detect a hack, all right, or scam links or contracts that can actually drain your wallet. All right, so when you are signing transaction, they help you to discover whether this contract is genuine, whether is a contract that can actually drain your wallet. So you see this, and it warns you, before you actually sign this contract. All right, so I'm going to be showing you what it is and how it works right now. So now I'm on the Fire homepage here, as you can see. And how do you get to this place? I'm going to be leaving this Fire link, all right, in the description section of this video. I will encourage you to use that link to get to their homepage, because at the moment they are actually doing like a referral contest and giveaway. So when you use my link to register and get the extension, we're both going to get ETH. Also, when you also invite your friends with your own link, you get it. So now, to support this video, make sure you use the link. All right, so let me show you the link. Now, this is the link. All right, I'm going to leave it in the description section of this video. So just click on it. So when you click on this link like this, then it's gonna load out. Let's wait for it. When you click on the Fire invitation link that I will be leaving on the description section of this video, then it takes you to this home page. All right, now the first thing you want to do here, let me move this one down, is you need, before you go to mint the Fire NFT, you need to first install this extension. At the moment, you can only use their Chrome, their Chrome extension. I want to believe that the app is also coming on the way. So how do you install it? Just come here. All right, this place I'm hovering on, how to Chrome. It's free, so click on it. Then when you get to this page, you can see I've already installed this extension. I'm using it at the moment. That is why you can see remove from Chrome. But since you are doing it the first time, you're going to see add to Chrome. All right, so you're going to click on this button here, which is going to show you add to Chrome. And when you click on add to Chrome, then it's going to pop up. There's going to be a pop-up at this place here. All right, so you're just going to click on add to extension. That's going to be the pop-up. And once you do that, then you can find the extension here, right here where I'm hovering on. So just click on it. All right, and you're going to see the Fire extension there. Then you click on it and you set it up. And once it is set up, then anytime you are signing a transaction, it's going to pop up and show you that this is the transaction you are signing, and this might be the implication. This is the asset you are transferring out, or that is coming into your wallet. All right, so once that is done, the next thing you want to know is to go ahead and mint the Fire NFT. All right, so I'm just going to click on this mint the Fire NFT here. All right, so now after I click on the mint Fire NFT, you can see it brought me to this place. So the first thing you want to do is to connect your wallet, all right? I think my wallet is connected. That is why it's showing me this. Let me check. Yeah. So let me see if I can. Yeah, you're going to see connect wallet. So just make sure you click on connect wallet and connect it. All right. So the first thing you want to do here is to mint this Fire NFT. You can see that we are having 5 cards there. One is open for you as Fire NFT, which is the original Fire NFT that you need to have in your wallet after you've minted it. Out of this covered NFT cards, we have rect cards, all right? So, but the rect card is not actually what you want to mint. It is the Fire card. So you have to select this at random, all right? So I can decide, okay, let me choose this one. So I'm going to click on it now, all right, to mint it. So if I mint this now, and if it shows me that it is the Fire NFT that I've minted, then I don't have to try my luck again. That means, you know, I'm just lucky, all right? So you're going to click confirm, or I've already minted it. I have both the Fire and the rect cards actually, because at first when I tried it out, I minted the rect card. So I had to try it again before I got my Fire NFT, all right? So I'm just going to reject it, but for your own, you have to confirm, all right? So once you can see you can see that it's rect, so you have to try another one. So now after you're done with that, after you have minted it, you're going to see it on OpenSea. So the next thing you want to do is to join. Okay, you can actually sign up, all right? You can click on sign up, put your email address. So anytime they have new products or launch, you can launch any new products, then you're gonna get their email. If they have any offer as well, you're gonna get it. Then the next thing is to join their Discord. So click on join Discord, and of course, it will, you see the invitation link and you can go there. All right. So that is just all about the Fire NFT, all right, NFT brand. So, but don't forget, make sure you use my invitation link. I'll put it under the description section of this video. So you make sure you use it to support this this video and channel, all right, guys. And we're gonna share it here together. All right. Make sure you also invite others with your invitation link as well. Okay, guys. So now, so I've been able to tell you about the Fire brand, how to use the Fire extension, and also how to get involved. All right. This is one of the best ways to secure your crypto wallet and assets on Web3. In fact, this is what I've been using for over a year now, after I lost most of my assets to wallet hacks, all right, last year. The first one happened around the Q1 of last year, 2022, where I lost about $50 to $100 on asset. That one was actually small, all right. And also the second one happened in the Q4, where I lost over 20 souls, 20 coins of Solana coins, all right. I lost about over 20 souls. You know how much is that actually, when the price of SOL was around $50, all right, around $50 plus. So but after that, I decided to make research, and I discovered that the best way to secure your crypto wallet is using the hardware wallet. All right. So what the hardware wallets are just the cold storage wallet, whereby you can store your crypto on it without giving direct permission to the hackers. When you are using the hardware wallet, all right, what you are doing is that you are locking down your fund, your asset, all right, so that no any hacker can have unauthorized access into it, all right. So that's what actually means. And I made my research, and I actually got the SafePaw hardware wallet, all right. SafePaw hardware wallet is very, very useful for me. Since I have been using SafePaw hardware wallet, I have no any experience of hacks ever again. I'm telling you the truth, guys. And guess what? I bought two. All right, I bought two last year. So I used one for to secure my asset on OX addresses, OX0 access, that is talking about the Ethereum BNB, that is BNB chain, that's or BSC chain actually. So Ethereum, Polygon, BSC chain, and all other chains that are using the OX0 or 0x0 addresses. Right. So, and the second one, I'm using the second safe hardware wallet to secure my Solana or my Solana asset. Right. So you can also do that as well. And I'm going to be leaving the link to this safe hardware wallet under the description section of this video as well, so that you can also go ahead and check it out. You get it out. So I'm recommending them. They're very, very safe. And since I've been using it, I have no experience of hacks again, guys. All right. And also for using my link, you also see it, you'll be getting free shipping as well. All right. On their website. So make sure you check the link out and use it to buy. All right. To also support this channel as well. So this is going to be the link. You can see it here. I'm going to leave it. So when you click on it, all right. So when you click on this Safe for hardware wallet link under the description section of my video, it's going to take you down to their website, right? So you can see Safe for S1 hardware wallet, all right? Now, let me quickly explain the benefits of this hardware wallet to you. So as you can see, why you should own a Safe for hardware wallet. So the first thing is that you can own your money and take full control of your assets. That is, no KYC or registration required. That is, know your customer verification, all right, before you can start using the wallet. You can enjoy the full access to unlimited decentralized applications, support 15 languages and 54 chains, adding more, trusted by customers from over 200,000, over 200 plus countries and region, all right? Now, how does it look like? Now, we have different packages actually. The first one here is the standard package, all right, which you can get at around 59.98. All right, so that one is actually, you can see it here, the hardware wallet, and also with the case, so let me say the purse, right? So this one you can see is a hardcore bundle. It's being sold at around 94.98. all right, they call it they said the S1 wallet plus cipher, and also the expert choice is it contains the S1 hardware wallet cipher and leather case. All right, so it depends on your budget and of course what you want. All right, so you can also review their page down. All right, so you can see it also has free shipping. All right, so just like I told you, just make sure you use my referral link as well. Then you can also go through their reviews. Yes, you can see it. The customers that have used this, was great, delivery was really fast. You can see that. So you can see success and go to the moon. So a lot of great and good reviews from those that have used this actually. So just go ahead and you can add to carts depending on the quantity that you want to put to there. All right, if you want put one there, then add to cart or order. Just click on order now and fill the necessary details that comes out. All right, now the last but not the least in this video that I want to show you is how to revoke access. All right, that is how to revoke access. For example, you can, for example, if you notice that let's assume that you notice that your wallet has been compromised and you are not sure of the website or the apps that you use, right? That that might have caused this, compromise. So what you're just gonna do is to make sure you revoke access. That is, you are taking back the power you've given to these sites, all right, that probably the hackers might have been using to compromise your wallet or gain access into your wallet. All right, so I'm just gonna show you how to do that now. So this is the form for the Safe for hardware wallet. So just fill it and then click on next, and you're gonna see how to do it. So now what you want to do is to go to this site. So go to revoke.cash. All right, So when you go to revoke.cash, so it's going to show you this page, all right, but you need to connect your wallet. I've actually connected my wallet already. It's going to show you connect around here. So you're going to click connect and sign in. All right, once you've signed in, then it's going to show you all these details. So as you can see, these are the allowances that I've given to this site. So you can see this one, you can see showing me revoke. That is all these contracts, all these sites, all right, they are having access to my wallet, right? Though I can decide to revoke it now, but since I know they are safe, these are contracts that have been audited, all right, by the Web3 security companies that are trusted, all right? So I don't have any problem with them. Badger, Artistic Adventures, but that is why it's so important to be listening to news, crypto news, because some of these big crypto or Web3 projects might be hacked as well, and you have to find a way. They might tell you to go and revoke all assets. So this is what you can use to revoke all these assets, right? So what you're going to do is just find a way to revoke. For example, let's assume I want to revoke access to this one, now this Artistic Adventures. I'm just going to click on revoke, all right? As you can see it, then it's going to bring me to authorize the transaction, which I'm going to do right now. Let's wait for it, guys. So as you can see here, so you can see it. So I'm just going to click on confirm. And once I click on confirm, then that's all. Don't forget, they're going to definitely be using little fees, all right? Depends on the network. But I think this one is working with ETH, right? So you make sure you scroll down to see all other ones that you have there, all right? So I think this is very simple and straightforward, guys. All right, so guys, this is just all about what I want to share with you about how to secure your crypto assets and wallet on Web3. All right, so now I also have a well-written detailed article that shows you different 7 best practices, all right, that you can use to free yourself from hackers on the Web3 or crypto space. All right, so make sure I'll also leave the link to that article on the description section of this video. So don't worry, all the links that I mentioned about in this video will be dropped under the description section of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you have enjoyed this short video, and if you actually do, then please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and also like this video if you really enjoy it. And also you can also share the link of this video to your friends and families, because it is very, very important that you help someone out there so that they don't get hacked, they don't get their funds, their wallet hacked. All right, this is very important. Like I said, what is the essence of making all those money and you lose it to hackers that are just sitting down there, just with running one smart contract, and all your funds are being walked majestically into his wallet without you having any power, anything to do to it. So our Web3 security is very, very important, and let us share this video so that we can all be safe together. So I still remain myself. This is Mike Akerele, and you are listening to the voice of Awesome Mike. So thank you guys for watching video. You can also check around my channel. I have other useful tutorial videos like this that I'm so sure about that they are going to help you. So thank you once again for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.